Hey everyone, buckle up because today we're diving into some wild twists and turns in the stock market. Just when you thought it couldn't get crazier, it did. So let's start with the big headline. Tariff uncertainty is fueling massive market volatility. Earlier today, the S&P 500 briefly dipped into bear market territory, which means it was down 20% from its peak. Why, you ask? Well, it all boils down to President Trump's ongoing trade war with China. He's refusing to back down and even threatened additional 50% tariffs starting April 9th. Yep, you heard that right, 50%. But wait, there's more. Trump's mixed messages about negotiating have left everyone guessing, creating a roller coaster ride for investors. And it's not just the US feeling the heat. Asian markets took a nosedive with Hong Kong down 13% and Taiwan down 10%. European markets didn't fare much better, with the stocks Europe 600 and FTSE 100 dropping over 4%. Oh, and let's not forget about oil and Bitcoin. Brent crude oil prices dipped below $60 a barrel and Bitcoin plunged 10% since the tariff announcement. Talk about a rough day. Now, Trump claims inflation is down significantly, but the numbers tell a different story. Official figures showed a 2.8% year-over-year increase before the latest tariffs. Economists are predicting even higher prices and slower growth. Not exactly what we want to hear. The EU tried to step in with a 0-for-0 offer to eliminate tariffs on US cars and industrial goods if the US reciprocated, but Trump wasn't having any of it. He rejected the offer, sticking to his guns. Even the business community is ringing alarm bells. The Business Roundtable warned that these tariffs will harm US manufacturers and workers, adding to the existing economic pessimism. And JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon chimed in, warning of short-term pain and long-term damage to US trade relationships. Ouch! And just when things couldn't get crazier, a false report about a potential 90-day tariff pause caused a brief market spike before it was debunked. Classic case of too good to be true. Wrapping up, we have Bangladesh pleading for a 3-month delay on tariffs to protect its garment industry, and the UK easing electric vehicle rules to counter US auto tariffs. It's clear the world is feeling the ripple effects. So, there you have it. A day of wild market swings and tariff tensions. What's next? Who knows, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Stay tuned and stay informed. Catch you next time.